Version 1.1 of BQ Head Rig has a couple of new features. On the bottom right of the panel, next to the Copy Replace buttons, is a new controller button. Click it to toggle between the Copy Replace buttons and the 3 new controller buttons: Value Controller, Keyframe Slider, and Group Switcher. 3 functions that will help you set up your head rig for maximum flexibility. Value controllers allow you to control multiple properties from one location. For example, in this rig I have 3 shape layers and a head null. I want to be able to control the color of the shape layers from the head null. I'm going to be using another script of mine, BQ Shape Layer Navigator, to help me out. I'm going to select this color property, and then hold Control or Command on Mac, and select the head null, where I want the controller to be. Then click Value Controller, and name my controller. Now I can control the skin color from the head null. I'm going to do the same with the eyes. Select the colors, hold Command or Control, select the head null, and then click Value Controller. If you want to link a property to an existing value controller, select all the properties you want to link, then select the controller, and shift-click the Value button. The Keyframe Slider allows you to link an animation to a slider control on a control layer. That way you can recall the animation easily. For example, I'm going to animate this eye blinking. Then I'm going to select all the keyframes, hold Command or Control, select the layer I want the controls to be on, and then click the Keyframe Slider button. Now I can control that animation from the head null. You can also link an animation to an existing keyframe slider. I'm going to delete this expression, select the keyframes, hold Command or Control, select the Value Controller, and shift-click the Keyframe Slider button. The Group Switcher adds a slider that lets you switch between various shape groups. For example, I'm going to duplicate this shape group and make a couple different variations of this head. I want to be able to quickly switch between these. Give myself some options for how I want the head to look. Select the shape layer, hold Command and Control, select the control layer, and click Group Switcher. A slider is added on the control layer that lets me choose which shape group is showing. When the slider is at 1, the first shape group is showing. When it's at 2, the second shape group is showing, and so on. The slider will obey whatever order you put the shape groups in. If you're duplicating existing shape groups to create new ones, you'll notice that it creates them in reverse order. If you want to reverse the order of your shape groups on a shape layer, shift-click the Group Switcher button.